Yeah. So it's building a Pistorm Amiga 500 with RGB2HDMI out. And Gotek. So it has integrated power this because I just have this plus 12 volts adapter on the side and HDMI out with the internal switcher for RGB to HDMI or RTG from the Pistorm. So power button here. I made an external jack for the switching between OSS and RTG. I like to do that because then I can control some things. I could have key mapped it, but well, later. I have similar solutions for my other Amigas as well. This one is for right. Okay, this is the OSS from the Gotek. This is my other cased Vampire 600 Amiga with that control here. So yeah, okay. And this is of course set to OSS now, so switch to RTG. Oh, works. Need to optimize the setup. You see the, I think it's the font that is a bit funny in this resolution. So I will work a little bit with it. Amigos 3.2 purchased. So and you can see I can use the keyboard to switch between images. Then I have to put back the OSS, of course, to see that menu, but that's fine. So quite happy. Going to make a just waiting for parallel port, and then I will try to connect a clip box. Network adapter, so I can use that until the guys figure out how to make the network work on these computers. And oh yeah, another thing. This is revision 6 A, and I have modified JP2 switch so that I utilize 1 megabyte of chipram, so it's 983. It's a must-have mod, I think, if you want to do anything other than use RTG, VOD load or something like that. Then you need to have at least 1 meg, actually 2, but this is the best you can do without using some funny stuff like Ace2, which I actually have on this one. In my Checkmate edition with the Vampire, you can see that I have almost 2 meg of chipram. So yeah, and then I have a lot of things to play with. This is also Amiga 600 vampirized edition. I have works great USB support, Checkmate as well as USB. The one I have here, and the stylized one, is not USB, but yeah, I have so much stuff. Anyways, this project is done as well. Well, the most part of it. So can move on to other projects. 1200 maybe. Yeah, and I need to tune this properly as well. So.